Wovitell, a home technology expert, coming to you from a house that's being remodeled for the kitchen and also the family room. Inside of the kitchen, installing some brand new in-ceiling speakers with pre-construction bracket and proper wiring with proper strapping. Inside of the family room, I had to make some corrections from the previous company. What they went ahead and they did is they have some speakers built into the ceiling. But the speakers are actually in-wall speakers that are meant to be installed this way so they face you towards the couch. But they put these speakers inside of the ceiling facing the sound to the floor instead of to the people sitting on the couch. So what I did is I installed DaVinci Audio Group in-ceiling speakers with built-in angled speakers that is set on an angle with the woofer pointing towards the couch so they could hear it with a designer trimless grill, giving you a nice, clean, professional look. Go to hometechnologyexpert.com for more information.